Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on your Toro personal pace lawnmower. And this method guys can be done for any lawnmower, as these engine guys, they do not come with a oil drain plug. So let's get right to it guys. So okay guys, we'll be using our fluid extractor pump to extract the old oil guys, and also to refill with the new oil. So first thing we want to do guys is to remove our dipstick. So using our fluid extractor pump guys, we just remove that rubber piece there and then use this as an adapter so we can get right down into the engine guys. You just want to push it all the way down to where it floors, and then we can start to suck the old oil out guys. So now we'll just pump this into our oil drain pan guys, and then we'll repeat that process until we get all the old oil out guys. So I'll catch you all in a sec. So we just pump the old oil out guys like that. And this is the easiest and the best method I would recommend guys. Saves you time and the struggle of having to tilt the mower guys, and also the safest method. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. So that seems like we got all the old oil out guys, so we can just go ahead now and refill with some fresh oil guys. Okay guys, so we'll be using some 10W30 motor oil, and it is recommended to use 10W30 or 30 grade oil guys in your lawnmower. So let's go ahead and siphon out some new oil or extract guys and get that into the lawnmower. So this fluid extractor guys, you can get them on Amazon for around 78 bucks depending on the size you get. This is a 200cc extractor guys, so I paid around 7 or 8 bucks guys. I'll leave that in the description, and I would say it's a very handy tool to have guys, especially for a DIYer. So now we'll just get that over into the engine, and then we'll just pump it all in guys. And we did remove 2.5 of the 2.5 guys of this two full loads and a half. So we're just going to put that back into the engine guys. So 450 cc's. I'll catch you when I get that done guys. So as you do about your first 2 fills guys, I would recommend to check the oil level on your dipstick so that you don't overfill. And I think we're about right there guys. Let's just dip it one more time. And I believe we're good right there, guys. If you want, you can always put a bit more. And if you do overfill, you can always extract whatever you overfill with, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. God bless. I see y'all on the next one. Thank you.